Hi Bixby, turn on the freestyle.
Tick, 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 evolution, rearranging. I feel it all. Tick, 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 evolution, rearranging. I feel it kick down in my brain, in my brain. Kick down in my brain, in my brain.
Hi Bixby, play chill out music. Hi Bixby, turn off the freestyle.
We know you care about our planet. You bike rather than drive. Choose stainless over plastic straws. And even pick up trash on your morning run. Just like you, our efforts also started in your everyday life. What if you reduce standby power with your plugs? Your remote no longer needs disposable batteries. Save water, detergent, and energy for your laundry. Check the details of how much power you use every day. Reduce energy and heat while you work. If we can do it all together every day, there's really nothing more rewarding. We believe that these moments add up to a more sustainable tomorrow. Every day, sustainability with Samsung.
So tell me, what's your screen like? Can it go where you want it to go? Can it be what you want it to be? Enjoy without limits, like me.
Eyes on me everywhere, but I still take the dare. My game is always fair. I am a champion. Trials don't make me run. The challenge makes it fun. If you see me make an offer, then watch me while I conquer. Yeah, you can throw me out, but I'll come back around. I will not back down. I will always be impossible to beat. I will explore the comfort more, 'cause I'm a boomerang, 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 yeah. I'ma gonna have a lot of fun. Party till we see the sun. Yeah, gonna have a lot of fun. Feeling very nice.
We are thrilled to introduce a new addition to the family, the Galaxy S21 FE. From music and movies to fitness and fashion, Galaxy S21 FE will take your passions to new heights. Let's start with its design. It has a new and distinctive color palette. It's all made possible by our 5nm chipset. And with 5G, you get a fast connection and a smooth experience. Cutting-edge camera. It's equipped with 3 pro-grade cameras in the back. Portrait mode, choose from blur, high-key mono, and backdrop. With a 32-megapixel camera, also takes gorgeous photos at night. 4K video captures it all with clarity and detail. With dual recording, you can use the front and the back cameras at the same time. Through our partnership with Microsoft, your Samsung Gallery can be synced to OneDrive. And One UI 4 will add more delights to your everyday. One UI 4 will open new ways for you to enjoy Galaxy S21 FE. The beautiful 6.4-inch display, and with 120Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate in game mode. The Galaxy S21 FE is epic in every way. Will be available soon in select countries. And we can't wait to see how you can make these experiences your own, and more epic than ever.